On August 11th, 2025, a family dispute over a car turned into a high-stakes standoff when Alexandria refused to leave her father's vehicle, claiming he had dementia as she held the car hostage.
This is my dad, and I think I don't know exactly what's going on, but he has the key to the car, so I'm just waiting on him to get out of the building.
You're waiting on him to what?
To get out of the building.
Okay, but do you realize that if he doesn't want to take you, you have to get out because it's his car, it's his property?
I don't think so. I think
no,
I'm
letting you know that that's how that works.
Okay, well, I'm going to be sitting here, so whenever he's ready. I don't know.
Yeah, but you know he doesn't have to drive you anywhere, but it's his car. He doesn't have to take you anywhere if he doesn't want to.
I understand. Well, he already took me here, so I'm in the car. I'd like to, go back to my house whenever he's ready, basically. So I'm just sitting in the car.
But he doesn't want to drive. You don't want to drive her home?
No, I do not.
I think he might be having some sort of like early dementia or something, but he is not acting like himself. I'm just trying to spend the day with him, or like go out and run errands. We're just trying to run errands.
You said she was evicted from the apartment. Does she not? So that's not where she lives anymore?
I still live there.
She is in the process of eviction. I don't think they've got a final order for it yet.
Okay.
Good job.
He did. He just got me a gift card.
She's supposed to be in a rehab facility, but somehow managed to get kicked out of it and showed up back at the apartment. So I felt sorry for her. My mistake. Gave her more money. Gave her more things to do. Took her here so she could get food.
Okay, so we can play this game, but you're gonna get arrested. I mean, that's literally how it's gonna be, or you could just step out of the car. Like, I'm not trying to be mean to you, but I'm trying to explain something to you, and you're not really willing to listen.
You explained it to me, but I would like to shut my door now.
I'm not doing that. It's not your door. It's not your car.
Okay,
so she can still be there. But
he doesn't really want it either. Where I live normally. I'm not trying to live in this car. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, but you're not trying to get out of this car.
Correct.
Which right now you're breaking the law because it's not your car.
Just ignore that then.
Just get out, Alex. You're making a show.
His door? I'm not trying to.
I mean, it's definitely your car, and you want her out of the car. Can you run the tag, please?
I shouldn't have agreed to do it. She's had long-term
6528.
enabling this bad behavior, and it's my fault. I enabled them.
No, you guys are right here. I'm fine. I'm not stepping out. And I feel like usually you ask people not to step out of the car. Well, I think there's a misunderstanding. I think something's going on with my dad because he's not acting like himself.
No, he's acting pretty normal to me.
No, I think he's acting like he's
Negative on
got
a
a problem.
2021 blue four-door registered in Jacksonville.
Maybe like he has early onset, like dementia, Alzheimer's.
Can we talk outside of the car?
No. Okay, well this isn't.
But your dad wants you out of the car.
This doesn't feel like a very real situation. Like, and it doesn't feel like we're bothering anyone.
So do you want to press charges for trespassing?
I do.
But you understand that you're probably going to end up going to jail then, right?
You do know that usually, like, if you pulled me over on a highway, we'd both have to pull over, park together.
We're not doing
that. And
that.
I would not be allowed out of my vehicle. In fact, you'd say, roll down the window and please present your papers to me. That's what you would say. And I would give
But I may sometimes. I also ask a lot of people out of the car too.
I love going on errands. I love driving. Love all of it.
This is going to be one of those situations on when you go down to the jail. People are like, "What are you in for?" And you say, "Because I wouldn't get out of the car." People are going to be like, "That's a stupid reason to go to jail." I mean, really, there's really not a really good reason to go to jail, but that's really stupid.
Well, it's more stupid of you guys because it's just a lot of paperwork and a lot of trouble. I mean, you can't just press charges like that.
You can.
No, you can't.
So, do you want to get out of the car or not?
Don't you guys have anything better to do today?
We actually do.
Yeah, like, so I don't know what you guys are up to.
Why
don't you drive around in your cars?
I don't want to take a ride to the jail.
I would love to.
I would hate.
You know what? I love riding around places.
The problem is that you're in the car. Is to solve the problem.
I don't think there's not a solution. There isn't a solution.
The solution is that you step out, either stand over here, you could sit, there's a bench.
Please allow me to.
No, you're not closing the door. So
I don't want to shut it on you. I don't want to like.
We're public servants. We've been called here.
You're not a servant.
We've been summoned here. So we're here to solve a problem. Unfortunately,
Do you have a payroll?
what's going to end up happening is we're going to end up having to use force on you.
I would like to press charges for assault. An assault charge. I just was assaulted.
It wasn't.
Battery.
So
I want to press charges for battery.
I can promise you, you're not.
Please stop touching this car because it's not your car.
It's not yours either.
Well, that's okay.
all right, you're going to end up.
No.
You're going to end up.
You are.
Stop. Step on out.
I'm just gonna pull you out. I mean, At the end of the day, you're going to come out of the car, so do we have to make this harder? I don't want to.
Don't pull my arm out of its socket.
Please step out.
Don't touch me.
We'll just get the statement. We're not in a hurry.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Don't molest me. Please.
So these are the options. You can get out of the car. You can leave on your own accord. You can walk away, or you're going to end up going with us.
Get a judge or something. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. Get a judge and a jury and take me to trial. Like, I don't really understand.
So
Mail me some papers. I mean, I don't know. Like,
would you like to mail?
whatever the charges are. Like, let me know.
Well, right now,
are you gonna
the
give me a
charges
ticket?
are
Why don't you just give me a ticket?
Well, you don't get that. It's lawful.
I want to press charges.
It's a lawful.
I would like to press charges.
You don't get to.
I'm being held against my will.
Great, get out of the car.
No, I'm being held against my will. Please leave.
No, we could give you, but you have to get out of the car. That's the problem. So the main.
Or a verbal warning. Be like, hey, please don't sit in people's cars again if they don't want you in them.
So that we've tried that. We're trying to get you out.
No, you didn't. But anyway, my dad is obviously like demented and he's got like an issue that I can't diagnose, right? I don't know what to do because he's getting older. Yes, in fact, we live at the same building.
Okay.
I am his caretaker.
But here's the issue. Your father is wanting you out of the car. He's willing to press charges. Therefore, you're going to end up going with us because you're refusing to get out of the car. I literally cannot be nicer to you.
I work a lot. I do things. It doesn't matter. What do you do?
You sound a lot like my brother used to sound before he burned my mom's house down.
What do? You just like police stuff? What is that? What is policing?
That is literally my job. I'm a supervisor.
Who runs the city? Who owns the pavement? I want to talk to whoever owns the road.
Who do you think that would be?
I don't know. I think you would have to try to get in contact with them or something.
I don't have to do anything.
I don't know. Talk to the bank that like rents out that pavement. It's like, what if you were in my doorway at my house and like you were holding it?
Different scenario, different rules, different times, different things. Okay, this isn't your car.
Is that your street?
It's part of the city.
Is that your pavement?
It's the city's.
Or is just that your stone?
It's the city's. Okay, what is your name?
Do you want to put where you see your daughter?
Why do you need to know that?
All right, Alexandria. I'm again going to politely ask you to get out of the car.
I would tell you my name if I wanted to.
Things are going to go not your way.
I don't know what to tell you. Call someone. But it'd be really cool if you would just let me shut the door. I'm not a dog dying in a hot car, okay?
You go by Alex, Alexandria, or you go by?
What am I called?
Yeah, what do you go by? Do you like to be called Alex, Alexandria?
I don't like to be called at all.
You know what?
I don't like to be called at all.
So you understand the risk that you're taking with this, right? Okay. They're going to get worse. Because what's going to end up happening is you're going to get forcefully taken out of the car, and I don't want to do that.
Whatever.
Because I don't want us to get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt. So I really would like you to get out of the car so that we don't have to force you to get out of the car, or that force doesn't have to be used.
No. You're insulting me. What are you doing?
All right, put your hands
No, I'm not going to. Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
You're under arrest.
No.
You're going to be
I'm
placed
not under arrest.
You
I'm
are.
under cardiac arrest, if anything.
You're
No.
placed under arrest for trespassing and resisting.
You can't do that.
We can. I wish we didn't have
Stop.
to. We tried to work it out with you.
Stop.
For whatever reason, you decided
Stop.
not to.
Stop policing me.
Bye, Alex.
This isn't lawful. Alright. I'm not resisting. No.
She's not.
Yes, she
No, she's
is.
not.
Dad, help me.
I am not helping you.
Please help me. Please help me.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop.
Get off me. Stop. No, stop searching me. Stop touching me.
Hey.
I have to search you. You're molesting me.
Stop.
You're sexually assaulting me.
Stop.
You are sexually
Stop.
assaulting me.
Resisting.
Now you're getting a felony.
You have violated the
Get
law.
off me. Stop touching me.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me. Oh, my arm.
Sit in the
Stop
car.
it.
Sit in the car.
Stop it.
Can you please pick up your knife and sit in the car? I don't want to have to help you.
Get off me. Stop touching me.
Close the door.
fine. I can't get a spot.
I'm sorry.
So you're going to have 2 charges of resisting. Okay. Listen, if you try to hurt us again, you're going to either end up getting tased.
Me hurt you? You guys were hurting me.
Okay. And listen to what I'm telling
My
you.
hands were behind my back. So
Your
no,
hands?
you shouldn't have searched me like that, and I should have gotten
search
searched
you.
privately, first of all.
I
You
didn't
should
search
have
Listen
not
to what
been
I'm
out
telling
here,
you.
not
Okay.
with her and doing it.
The date was August 11, 2025, and at 2:25 p.m., a domestic dispute over a vehicle escalated into a high-stakes standoff with local law enforcement. Officers arrived on the scene after a frustrated father called for help, claiming his daughter, Alexandria, refused to exit his car and was essentially holding the vehicle hostage. Alexandria remained defiant, weaving a complicated narrative. She claimed her father suffered from dementia and that she was his primary caretaker, assertions her father flatly denied to the officers. Despite being warned repeatedly that her refusal to leave constituted trespassing, she sat firmly in the seat, ignoring every lawful order. The patience of the officers finally ran out. Alexandria was forcibly removed from the vehicle and arrested for trespassing and resisting arrest. Even as she was transported to jail, the drama continued as she began complaining of medical distress, demanding a trip to the hospital. It was a stark example of how family conflict can quickly turn into a criminal case. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.